Alright, now we're going to be practicing some solving by using elimination. So part one is just a visual of what we're looking at here. If you need to find the cost of an order of French fries and the cost of a cheeseburger in the following context, you would be moving this into, into numbers and letters. So here I've got 4 French fries. That would be similar to having 4x. And then I have a cheeseburger. That would be like 1y. And the total is 17 bucks. If I buy 2 French fries, that would be 2x. And 1 cheeseburger, that would be 1y. So if I use my notes, I have to decide how I'm going to do this. I could eliminate using addition, but you can only do that if you already have opposites. Here I have a positive number of French fries and a positive number of French fries, positive number of cheeseburger, positive number of cheeseburger. So I can't use this way. So then I go to the subtraction way. Here I had the same number, 2 and 2. Well, I have the same number on my hamburgers, 1 on 1. So the way I was able to eliminate one of those was by multiplying everything by -1. So I'm going to change this to be -2x, or negative French fries, by taking them away. Well, if I take 2 French fries away here, then I got to take 2 French fries away here. And then if I take another hamburger away, I got to take another hamburger away here. Well, that means this is also going to be taken away from the 17. So that would be $6. But that's $6 for how many French fries? How many are left? 2. So 2 French fries are $6. Well, if 2 French fries are $6, then how much is 1 French fry? $3. Now we don't have the price of the hamburgers yet though. So I'm going to go to this one. This French fry is $3. This French fry is $3. That's $6. So I've got 3 times 2 plus my hamburger. Remember, this is a -11 now. So that's $6. But I'm going to take that 6 away, or if you take 6 away from 11 bucks, you'd have $5 hamburger. Check it. 3 plus 3 is 8, plus 5 is 11. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17. So that would work. Alright, so instead of cutting out any cards, we're just going to be walking through this. So step 1 from our notes. Make sure the like terms are aligned. That's very important. So here I've got x's and x's, y's and y's, and they are in standard form. So this step says to multiply the second equation by 3. If you multiply the second equation by 3, then you are doing the multiplication method. And remember, the goal with the multiplication method is to create an opposite. So multiply everything by 3. So you have 3x, and then 3 times -3 is -9. 3 times -6 is -18. The other equation stays the same. So it's really, really, really important that you put those on top of each other like this. So now you're going to combine the 2 equations. You have to remove the 0 pairs. That's how you combine them. Right here, I have a 0 pair. So now I have -4 and 3, which is -1x, 9 and -18, which is -9. Now it's going to be like a domino. We're going to divide, and then we're going to substitute it back in. You can pick any equation. I like to pick the equations with less numbers. So let's go back to the original. I like that second one quite a bit. So x minus 3y equals -6. And remember, according to your multiplication steps, you're going to take that letter, plug it in. So I'm going to take that 9, plug it into the x. And now I solve. I'm going to add -9 because I have to do the opposite. Remove the 0 pairs. So I have -3y equals -6 and -9 makes -15. The last step is always to divide. So y equals +5. When you write your answer, you have to write it as an ordered pair because remember, this is where the two lines cross. At 9 in the x, 5 in the y. So flip it over, and I want you to follow the steps on this one, number 3. And then you're also going to follow the steps on this one, trying to put the words in order for the verbal description. Then you can hit next and check your answers.